Today I'm going to show you how I plan my paintings from start to finish. I'll show you how I come up with the ideas, how I sketch the design, and then how I work from the design to create the final painting. Hi, I'm Rachel. I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. Once I've decided on an animal or subject that I'd like to paint, I'll start by looking up reference images online. I've decided to paint a bumblebee, so I'm just looking at photos of bees on Google Images. I usually work from a few different reference photos as I don't like to copy a photo exactly, and I mainly use them to figure out the proportions and details of the animal. For example, the wings on a bee are quite intricate, so I like to have a photograph that I can refer to when painting a detail like that. I'll save a few photos that I like, and then I'll work from those photos to create a rough sketch of my design. I usually create my sketches on my iPad using Procreate. I like to create my sketches digitally because I could try out lots of different ideas and erase anything that I don't like. I'll start out by using a thin sketching pencil in black to sketch out the outline of my subject. I'll refer to the photos that I saved earlier to make sure the proportions are correct. Then I'll add a layer underneath and start adding some colour. I like to experiment at this stage to see which colours will work and which ones won't. If you've seen my paintings before, you'll know that I love creating really colourful art, and I find the sketching process to be a great way to figure out which colours to use. I don't spend too long working on the sketch, however I do like to add some finer details, for example adding highlights on the wings, as it's a good way of figuring out which will work on the painting without wasting any paint. Another great thing about digital sketches is that I can try out different background colours to see which will work best. Once my sketch is finished, I'll print it out and pin it to my notice board along with some reference photos. I have my notice board right next to where my canvas is so that I can look at my design while I'm painting. Then I'll start sketching the outline of my design onto the canvas just using a normal pencil, and once I'm happy with that I'll start painting the background colour using acrylic paints. Then I'll start painting the subject, and at this stage I refer to my design a lot to make sure I'm using the right colours and adding shadows and highlights where they should be. If you want to watch the tutorial showing you the process of me painting the bee, I'll add that here, and if you want to watch the full-length tutorial then go to the link in the description of this video and sign up to my Patreon and you'll get instant access to all of my full-length art tutorials. So this is the initial design next to the finished painting. I hope you found this helpful. If you'd like to see more videos like this then make sure you subscribe to my channel.